Do you have a small business or do you want to start one? So I know a lot of people would say, just start the business. Why should they buy my product? Wing it. Still some things you need to put in place. There are still some things you need to think about before you even think of like starting a business, so that at the end of the day you won't get frustrated and the next thing you're thinking of is like, who asked me to even start this business? And you think of quitting. The first thing on this list is going to be, who are your target audience? Target audience are like people you want your products to sell. For example, I want to start a business whereby I do like natural skincare products, and the first product I want to like launch is an acne soap. Who are the people that are going to be like my target audience for this product? I would say people that have acne prone skin and they are looking for like solutions to like to like clear their acne. Then after thinking of this, now you also want to think of like, okay, do I want to serve female or male? So you would also want to say, okay, this product is for people who have acne, they are female, what is their age bracket? So pricing right as well. So that is why I said you need to understand your target audience. You need to know who you want to serve. You need to put yourself in the shoes of your target audience. Another thing on this list is going to be marketing. Like, how do I get my product across to them? The mistake I made then, because the business is no longer running, was that I didn't think of marketing. You need to think of how you would get your product across to these people. Fine, there are people out there that need your product. Like, there are people out there that don't even know that products like yours exist, and they need this product to like solve the problem they have, but they can't see you. They've not heard of you before. People can't buy from you if they've never heard of your product, or let's say they've never seen you. Like they've not even seen, like they've not even heard the name before. Branding is very, very important. Branding in sense of like logo, brand color, packaging, the way you present your product. People try products and they'll be like, I'm not a fan of this packaging. Like, I don't think I see myself like buying this product again. Like, branding plays a huge part in your business. Honestly, logos are expensive to make. You can just make like something simple for the time being, whereby so that when you have like enough money to spare, you can go for a professional logo. Bags, the nylons you use in packing products, because another person may see that and they'll be like, wow, I love this packaging, and because of that they would want to like buy from you. Having a website. So now this may sound a little bit tricky in the sense that having a website is quite expensive, most especially if you're a very, very small business, like you're just starting out. But these days there are like platforms whereby you can go there, upload your product there. They're taking like a percentage of the profit you make. So it could be like 5%, it could be like 3% of the profit you make. So now the reason why I'm saying this is because honestly, when I was running my business, then people would want to buy from me. So they may like send the message late in the evening, and the next morning I'm just coming back to see. I reply them, and you know how human beings are, like they don't want to buy the product again, or let's say they won't even reply. So now think of a situation whereby you have like a website whereby you've uploaded everything there. They can just go there, look at the product, make payments. Even if you don't have enough money to like get a website, there are other platforms that you can use. So I know of Seller. Seller is for like ebooks, webinars and all. But there's this other one whereby you can like upload your products, Flutterwave. So yeah, this is also like platforms you can also use to like upload your products, having a domain. So now, what is a domain? A domain is what you need before you open a website. If you are sure that you're sure of the business name you're using presently, I would say the best thing and the honest thing that I would say to you is to get a domain. That is if you're thinking long term. If you are thinking of like 5 years from now, 10 years from now, that your business would already have like that visibility, and this is something you want to do long term, then I would advise you to like get a domain. Even though you're not ready to like, have like a website yet, have a domain so that you have that already. And when it is time for you to like own a website, it is easier for you to get a website. So if you're interested, the name of the website where I got my domain from, I'll drop it in the description box. below. So now another mistake which I made was I wasn't outsourcing. Honestly, like, you would always want to do everything yourself because you feel nobody can get it the way I do it, nobody can do it perfectly enough, nobody can do it to my satisfaction. But you're gonna kill yourself. So the mistake I made was I wasn't outsourcing stuff. So if you have the power, if you have like the resources to like to employ people, or let's say outsource whatever you're doing, please do it. Do it and save yourself the stress. Because now one thing I've learned is when you outsource, it will give you like enough room to like take in more projects. The next thing on this list is going to be pricing. Sit down and spend days on my pricing, because God, I suffered a lot from this. If you don't take anything away from this video, please take this point. You need to get your pricing right. Another thing on this list is going to be content. You just be like, I don't need to like post anything, jare. I don't care. Girl, you care. What did I say? You care. Like, put out content. Let people know what you do. Let people know how your product can save them. Let people know how they can use your product. Because if you don't show them these things, how will they know that they need your products? Because honestly, some people don't know that they need some products. So imagine somebody that has oily skin and they love applying makeup, but even though they keep applying makeup, they still don't apply primer because they don't know that they need this thing. As a makeup product seller, you want to let them know that you have oily skin, my sister. Before you go in with your foundation, you need to prime your face first. That way you've showed them that they need this thing, because obviously they don't know. And because you've showed them, they would want to like buy a primer because now they know that they need this product. So now imagine somebody that says, oh, I don't like my skin work, I don't like the way my makeup turns out, but they are not moisturizing, they are not doing skin prep. As a makeup product seller, you are showing us that, okay, before you start with your products, even before you like apply your primer and all, you need to moisturize, you need to apply oil, you need to like do like all those, that way you've showed them. They don't know these things. Showed them that when you do this, at the end of the day, you have like like a perfect makeup. You have to create content. Then I was not creating content. I was just posting picture. When I say buy. Why should they buy? Why should they buy? You need to show them, because obviously they will say that maybe I kukuma have Ankara at home. I kukuma have. So why do I still think I need to add Kampala? So you need to create content in that area and let them know that like you need this Kampala because this is what is happening right now. This is what is in town. This is what is in vogue. It is different from the normal Ankara that we used to see every time. It is even different from the normal Kampala, because the normal Kampala that we know is the Kampala that used to gompa like this, But with the silk Kampala, it is different. It is lush. It is luxury. It is silky. It is flowy. Like it drapes so perfectly, and it gives you like that rich auntie vibe. And we all know that everybody is claiming to be rich auntie these days. So yeah, you also need you need to create content that will that will push them down to buy your product. I'll create hype and buzz before I launch my product. So it's a different thing from just like dropping a product and say new addition. For you to create hype, you have to drop snippets every day of that product. Talk about the benefits of the product. Talk about the pros of the product, why they need the product, who the product is the particular people the product is targeted at. Let people know that something new is coming, something new is in town. It is normal. We are humans. Whatever is coming, people want to know. People are always hyper, I can't wait for this, so I can't wait for this. So it looks as if it is something I'm going to need, So that at the end of the day, when you most especially you want to be sure that you're launching a good product. So that at the end of the day, when you launch the product, when the product is good, you would make enough returns for you know, like for the hype and everything. But imagine if the product you are launching is trash. Like the hype and the buzz won't work because people won't patronize you. So this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you've learned one or two things, you've grabbed one or two things. Let me know one of the things that like spoke to you the most in this video. Please drop it in the comment section, because I want to, like, you know, I want to chat with you. I want to hear your view on some of the things I've listed in this video. Don't forget, like I always say, that you are enough and you matter, and everything is figure outable. And please, if you've not like given this video a like a thumbs up, please do that right now by hitting the thumbs up button. And yeah, don't forget to like subscribe as well if you love it here, if you love content like this, because I love to talk about business, and you know, and I still do like a little bit of like daily vlogs, lifestyle vlogs and all. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell button beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to know. See you in my next video. Bye.